A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe. Children, today I am going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 6. Let's learn logo. Chapter 4 and 5 are not part of your syllabus. That's why I am going to start chapter number 6. Let's learn logo. Open page number 82. Children, how do you express your feelings to your family and friends? How you communicate with your families? Through language, right? Language is the medium to communicate with our families, friends, and language is the medium through which we express our feelings. You may speak different language, just like Hindi, English, or any other languages, right? With the help of language, we can express our feeling, we can communicate to the peoples. In the same way, if we want to communicate with the computer, then we need language. Understood? If we want to communicate to the computer, then we need language. Through language, we can give instruction to the computer, right? So there are different types of language. So many languages are there, just like COBOL, Pascal, Logo, C, C++, Java, Python, and right. So in this chapter, we will study about logo. So what is a logo? Logo, the full form of logo is language of graphic oriented. The full form of logo is language of graphic oriented. With the help of logo, we can draw figures and perform simple arithmetic calculation, right? So what is a logo? I repeat once again, listen very carefully. Logo is a computer language through which we can draw pictures and do simple mathematical calculation, just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Understood? The full form of logo is language of graphic oriented, and it is used to draw image, draw picture, and solve simple mathematical calculation, just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? I hope you understand. I repeat once again, what is a logo? Logo is a computer language through which we can draw pictures and do some mathematical calculation. It is a very easy language to understand. So open page number 83. Starting MSW logo. How you start logo? The step 1 is click and type Microsoft Windows logo in the search box next to the start button. This is a start button, and next to the start button, this is a search box. In the search box, type Microsoft Windows logo. Microsoft Windows logo. This is the first step. The second step is click on the Microsoft Windows logo option. The MSW logo Windows is displayed. You can see here is a Microsoft Windows logo. Click on this option. When you click on this option, this screen will be open. Click OK. This is the interface of Microsoft Windows logo screen. In short, we can say this is the logo screen. Now page number 83, parts of logo window. The logo window has two main parts. First part is main screen, and the second part is commander window. This is a main screen. This screen is a main screen, and this screen is a commander window, right? There are two main parts of a logo screen. Main screen, this part, this area from here to here, it is a main screen, and this is a commander window. Let's see one by one. Main screen. The upper portion of the logo screen is the drawing area or the main screen. I have already told you this is a main screen. It is also known as drawing area. It is also called the graphic screen. It is also called the graphic screen. The main screen displays the result of the work done in logo. The main screen displays the result of the work done in a logo. Whatever work you have done in the logo, it displays in the main screen. Whatever work you have done in the logo, all the work you have done are displayed in the in this area. आप जो भी लोगो पे आप जो भी वर्क करते हैं वो सारे के सारे वर्क आपके मेन स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले होते हैं, राइट? The instruction given in logo language are known as command. The instruction you are given in the logo is known as command. What is the command? The instruction which are given in logo is known as command. आप लोगो में जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? कमांड बोलते हैं. Understood? You can give command in the commander window. Understood? The instruction which are given in logo is known as command. The figure created using the logo commands are displayed in the main screen. The figure you draw in the logo are displayed in the main screen. All the figures are displayed here, right? This is the menu bar, right? This is a turtle. This triangular shape is known as turtle. This is a commander window. I have already told commander window have 3 parts. Let's see one by one. Open page number 84. There is a small triangle in the center of the screen. It is called the turtle. This small triangle is known as turtle, right? Now page number 84, commander window. The commander window is divided into 3 sections. This is a commander window and this part is divided into 3 sections. First is input box. Where is input box? This is the input box. This line is known as input box, right? It is the area where logo commands are written. All commands are written in the input box. For example, this is a input box. We can write commands in the input box. You can see I write FD100 here and the result will display in the main screen. Understood? Now recall list box. It maintains a list of all the commands typed in the input box. Where is the input box? This is a input and this is a recall list. This is a recall list box. In the recall list box, all the commands which we have typed are displayed here. आप जितने भी कमांड्स का टाइप करते हैं वो सारे कमांड्स जो है रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स में डिस्प्ले होते हैं. यू कैन सी this is a recall list box. All the commands are typed are display here. हम जो भी कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स में लिखते हैं वो सारे के सारे कमांड्स आपके रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स में शो होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ थर्ड पार्ट इज बटन. देयर आर सम बटन्स present in the commander window. These are the buttons. These buttons are called control buttons. These buttons are known as control buttons. Some of the frequently used buttons are all out of these buttons. Some buttons are frequently used. First is reset button. Reset. This is a reset button. This button is used to clear the logo main screen. When we click reset button, then main screen will be clear. Look, you can see the picture we have to draw is now removed. So reset button is used to clear main screen. Understood? Now execute button. This button is used to run or execute the commands. This button is used to run or execute commands. For example, if we write here fd 100, then after that we can click on execute button, right? We can also press enter key to execute the commands. We can also press enter button to execute commands. Suppose I write RT90, and we can press enter or we can click execute button to run this command. We can, after type the command, we can press enter or we can click on execute button. The function of both is same, right? Now open page number 85. Logo terminologies. Home of the turtle. When we start logo, the turtle is present at the center of the screen. When we start the logo, the turtle is present at the center of the screen. This is called the home position of the turtle. When you start a logo, turtle is always in the center position. This position is known as home position of the turtle. जब भी आप लोगो ओपन करते हैं तो turtle is always stay on the center of the screen. So center of the screen, center is known as home position of the turtle. Understood? The turtle moves and draws from the home position according to the commands given by us. This turtle will move according to our command. I have already show you. Let's see once again. FD 100. We press FD 100. Then this turtle will move according to this command. Right? Write RT. Then turtle will move according to this command. Right? So the center position of the home position of that turtle is center. Yeah, this is a center position, and the turtle will move according to the command which we have given in the input box. Understood? Now, head and tail of the turtle. The pointed end of the turtle is called the head. The head shows the direction in which the turtle will move. The bottom part of the turtle is known as the tail. Means this part of the turtle is known as head position, and this is known as tail part of the turtle. This is a head part and this is a tail part. Now primitives. The turtle moves and draws figures according to the commands or instruction given by us. The commands in logo are also known as primitives. I have already told you the turtle will move according to command which we have given in the input box. These commands are also known as primitives, right? Command is also known as primitive. The turtle, I repeat once again, open page number 85, primitives. The turtle moves and draws figure according to the commands or instruction given by us. Turtle means this is small triangle. The turtle will move according to the commands given in the input box. Turtle moves according to the command which is given in the input box. These commands is also known as primitives. Now, moving the turtle. The turtle can move anywhere on the mini screen. A turtle draws a line when it moves in any direction. This line is called the trail. Turtle move in any direction of the mini screen. This turtle will move any direction of the screen. A turtle draws a line when it moves in any direction. When turtle moves, then it draws a line. I have already explained. The turtle will move from here to here and it draws a line. This line is known as trail. This line is a trail. When turtle moves in any direction, it draws a line. This line is known as trail. Understood? Now open page number 86. Now open page number 86. The turtle can move forward and backward. Turtle can move forward and backward. This is a turtle. When we type FD, then turtle will move in forward direction. And when we use BK, then turtle will move backward direction. Understood? I repeat once again, watch it carefully. FD 100 means turtle can move 100 steps in the forward direction. And when we use BK, then turtle will move 50 steps in the back. Right? The turtle can turn left or right. Turtle can also turn left and right. See, RT, turtle will move in right direction. And when we use then turtle will move in right direction. Understood? Turtle can move in forward direction, backward direction, right. Turtle can right turn, left turn. Understood? Now, exiting logo. We can exit logo by typing by in the input box and pressing the enter key or clicking the execute button. We can, if we want to close logo, then we can type by, BYE, by, and press enter or click execute. Turtle will close. I hope you understand. Watch the video very carefully. Okay.